This video will demonstrate how to join the waitlist for a class that is full. Start by logging into HomerConnect. Select Registration and Planning at the left side of the screen. Select Register for Classes. Select the term of the schedule you are looking to register for. If needed, enter your RAC or Registration Access Code. Contact your academic advisor to receive your RAC. Start by finding the class you want to register for. If the class is full, you'll need to join the waitlist for the class. It is important to note that if you don't meet the restrictions or prerequisites for the class, you must submit a course registration override form. The form must be submitted and approved before you can join the waitlist. For example, this class is full. There are 5 spots open on the waitlist. Select Add on the right side of the screen. Open the Summary section. Select the drop-down on the right for the class that is full. Select Waitlist from the options. Select Submit. This will put you in the waitlist for that class. If a seat becomes available and you are next on the waitlist, you will receive an email from the Office of the Registrar. The email will state that you are able to register for the class. After you receive this email, you have 24 hours to register for the class. If you do not register for the class in that 24-hour window, you will not be able to register for the class, and the next person on the waitlist will have the opportunity to register. If you receive a notification that you can register for a class that you were on the waitlist for, you must log into HomerConnect to complete the registration process. Select Register for Classes, select the term of the schedule you are looking to register for. If needed, enter your RAC or Registration Access Code. Go to the Summary section, select the drop-down for the class that you are now able to register for, select Web Registered, and then Submit. Save Successful will display at the top of the screen if the registration was completed. If you have any questions, please contact the Office of the Registrar at registrar@ithaca.edu or 607-274-3127.